Hey, what's going on? It's David Miller from Monetary Ocean, and today I want to show you guys how to get completely free shipping materials from the USPS. So first, you're going to want to navigate over to their website, USPS.com, and create a free account. I've already gone ahead and signed up, and I'm set up as a private or personal account. I don't do any shipping through the USPS website. I only do it through eBay if I do, or whatever merchant site, because I get better rates. So if you're doing this and you're planning on shipping through the USPS, you could probably do a business account. It doesn't really matter for what I'm showing you guys in this video, but we're going to go to this tab right here, Postal Store. And we're given the option actually right here to get free shipping supplies, but sometimes this gets changed around. So I'm going to show you guys a different way to do it. So we're going to go to supplies. And then one of the first filters right here is free shipping supplies. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And there we have it. So you can order pretty much everything on here for free. What I use for packing my boxes for FBA are... I usually like to switch this over to 48 too because they got a lot of stuff on here for free. I'm not trying to flip through all these pages. I would recommend getting this variety pack to start off, just to kind of see what boxes you're going to use. If you already know, what boxes you would need, what size-wise, you can pretty much order them as you need. And my recommendation is to go with the 10-pack, actually, because you can usually do a higher quantity of that pack of 10. So usually you can do like 10 packs, but if you do a 25 pack, you can only do like 5. So, figure it out. If you want more boxes, that's the way to get more boxes. So the padding material I use is this right here, Priority Mail Padded Flat Rate Envelope. And so like I said, so we can do a pack of 10, max 10, or a pack of 15, max 6. So if you do the math on that, this is actually more. And so I usually go ahead and do like 2 of these and order them and check out now. So a lot of information is going to be blacked out just because it's my address and things like that. We are going to go ahead. And as you can see on the right here, subtotal $0, 0 cents. So I'm going to go ahead and ship to that address, place my order. And success. So then you're going to get an email, as I'm getting right now, and that is basically just confirming your order. Usually with the USPS, you'll get this shipment within a day or two, if it's like the weekday or whatever. But it's pretty quick because they just have it at the actual store usually, unless they send it in from a different place. But that is basically it, guys. If you have any more questions relating this or anything else, please let me know in the comments. Enjoy the rest of your day.